Well, welcome back everyone to Bear's Rod Shop for April the 22nd. Back on the C3 1976 Stingray. And this is the proportion valve and front brake assembly that we took out on Saturday, thanks to Alan being here and a little more limber than this old bear is. And getting ready to rebuild these lines all from scratch and replace them. And Alan had tried to break these loose. We didn't let him booger them, and he didn't booger them. And I said, let's get that proportion valve, take the whole thing out. It is a chore. I'm not going to lie to you, but it was a finesse, and you can get them out without bending them. The rubber flap that's over on the left side fender well does give you a little problem. You just have to ease that out. Probably been better just to pull the plastic retainers and moved it, but come out good. These being so stubborn, this is the way I do it. I've been doing it for years, and it's about the most practical way. You'll see the fine saw cut down, not touching the thread. Even though we're not saving the line, I don't want to distort the 90 degrees here. It's almost a 90. And none of these I want to have a good pattern to go by. So first thing first, we come in here so we can get you down. We cut this down right beside her, and she broke loose. And that allows you to go ahead and swing this out of the way. I don't need to pull it out right now. I've got them all marked, even though I took a diagram and pictures. Some reason my phone, sometimes the pictures go away, so I'll make a little log, and the way it was bolted in. This line here now is accessible to come in here. Well, let's angle the camera around, got only one hand, and cut down beside here. And this line is now free. So let's swing this. Swing her over out of your way. Leaving these together, and now you can comfortably get to this one that goes across the front of the car, the frame, all the way over to the right side. Get in here with that, and this is about a 32 teeth hacksaw. Just make you a nice cut down in there, about 1/4, 3/8. Not that we're trying to save proportion valve at all. And then all I have left is that bottom line. And once I remove these, and these are, this one here will get marked, don't have any more different color paint in the shop right now. So I put a zip tie, but I'll know where it goes. I'll just do that for sake in case something happens to me, that the wife will know hopefully where it goes. And then that bottom one, I had to put that curl back in there. And that is the new proportion valve here we picked up. I'm not advertising for Summit Racing, but I've looked online, Amazon, eBay, some other places, and the prices are all over the place. My local supplier was like almost $80 for this proportion valve. Other gentleman a few dollars under him. But over at Summit Racing, $48 plus 11 shipping. And that was a real bargain. Nice piece. And it is for the all 4 disc brakes. And then we had already showed you where we'd put this over on the mill and indexed them, indicated them in, and that one there is the one that's got the dip off the right left. Let's see, it's underneath the bottom. Never mind, left rear. Let's see if we can find her again. Left rear here had about a 5,000, 6,000 dip. Right in here. You can see where that brake shoe set. And so that means we're going to end up taking about 6,000 off of this all the way around to straighten that and put the hash marks back in. We hope this little tidbit has helped. You guys that are struggling with trying to break these loose under the car, you're going to twist them all to pieces, you know right away. And might as well just take that proportioning valve off You buy a set of from the Corvette vendors, and they're going to come in a box, and you're going to have to reshape and bend and tweak those to get them in. So try to save your patterns off of the old brake lines. The rears, we mentioned that on another video, were good. They had been replaced. I don't know why, and along with the emergency brake shoes. Rotors were like pristine, except for that left one setting there with the brakes up against it and humidity and started rusting. But if y'all like this content, please subscribe, please share. It's going to be on the players list under the C3 videos that we're putting out. And Saturday, we've got some other things going. Can't work all day on the C3. Got to get that foundation ready for the well and compressor to be moved in from the well house that's existing to that new dog house, the reefer sleeper we got. And so we got quite a bit of work on Saturday lined up. Y'all, please share again. Thanks to all my subscribers and viewers. And one last look at the way the old bear does the trick to it. Nothing real fancy, but it works, and it'll sure save you a lot of grief. And y'all have a great weekend. Come back and visit, and please share again. Check out our Facebook at Bears Rod Shop over there. Thank you.